Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can manage your deals in Hubspot. In the previous videos that we created a couple of minutes ago, we just created this deal of art opportunity in our free HubSpot CRM account. If we want to change or edit this deal, you just click on the art opportunity and there is a stage. At the moment, the guy goes by my name, is qualified to buy art opportunity. Amount $1, so maybe we should go more because that's embarrassing. Let's go like this for $10,001, and stage is qualified to buy. If we want to change the stage, we can just click on it and we can go with appointment scheduled. Success deal stage has changed. Or we can closed and won. That's how we can change it. You can see the amount associated and the company is not filled in. Deal stage is closed and won. If you don't want to basically click in the couple of deals, you can also click it by the name and we can edit it. Select a property to edit. Closed, lost reason, deal stage. Let's go with deal stage. Pipeline is already pre-made. And also we can go to contact send. Straight away, we are changing the deal stage to contract send in sales pipeline. If we want to micromanage or maybe delete a couple of the deals, let's pretend let's go with new name, thanks opportunity. We are about to buy thanks and art, which is completely normal, right? Qualified to buy amount, I don't know how much one tank is cost. Let's go with 1 million because it's a big tank. Deal type, it's a new business. Priority, let's go with high. And let's just create it for the lols to show you how you can go with a couple of actions. If you click on this one, you can also click on this one, and it's, as you can see, two selected, but it can be like 20, 50, it's completely up to you. You can also change how many you will see per page. Let's go with 100, doesn't matter. If you click all deal name, it will automatically scratch in all of them. So if you want to massively delete everything, you just click there. Or go 1 and 2, and then we can edit them both. As you can see, it's not changing the deal stage. If you want to micromanage the deal stage, you have to manage and micromanage every single one of them one by one. You can't do it massively, and that's kind of a good thing because you don't really want to basically accidentally closing your deals before closing. But there's a couple of things that we can do. We can delete them or create the tasks or edit them. But this feature is completely made, in my opinion, at least for mass deleting of the files. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day.